guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the best protective hairstyle for babies, the hairstyle that makes their hair grow thick and long. So watch this video to the end and let's learn together. So in this video I'll be using coconut oil, Afro Comb, and these small rubber bands. Always make sure your baby is comfortable enough before you start braiding her. The first thing that I'm going to do is to make sure the baby's hair is moisturized, and in this case I'm going to use parachute coconut oil. It's a great moisturizer and at the same time it's pure and natural. I'll then use my Afro Comb to part the baby's hair into sections. And for those who are seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I always upload videos on beauty, hair and lifestyle every Wednesdays and Saturday. I'll now take my rubber band, fold it into two, and braid the baby's hair as you can see. After that, I'll repeat the same process to all the parted sections. Always make sure to be gentle enough while handling babies. Remember not to hold the hair too tight because the baby might be uncomfortable. At this point, we are going to repeat the same process at the back. So we will again part the hair into sections, fold our rubber bands into two, and hold the hair as you can see. Basically, the process is the same, and I'm going to do this for the whole head. I also want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your feedbacks. I don't take it for granted. Continue being part of this family because I have so much in store for you. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys have learned something. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Until next time, bye.